Ever heard of raiz? That investing app that was supposed to make saving for the future effortless? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into why this popular platform is shutting its doors. We'll explore the factors that led to this decision, what it means for raiz users, and what lessons can be learned from this unexpected turn of events. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, was a micro-investing app that gained popularity by making it incredibly easy to invest spare change. Roundups, automated contributions, and a user-friendly interface were its key strengths. It seemed like a game-changer, democratizing investing and making it accessible to a wider audience. But, as with any financial product, things aren't always as rosy as they seem. Now, the official reason for raiz closure is still a bit vague. They cited challenging market conditions and a strategic review as the main factors. But let's delve a little deeper. Increased competition, the micro-investing space has become incredibly competitive. Players like Stash, Acorns, and even established brokerages like Robinhood offer similar features, often with lower fees or more advanced investment options. Raiz may have struggled to differentiate itself and attract new users. Regulatory hurdles. The financial technology landscape is constantly evolving, and navigating the regulatory maze can be a significant challenge. Changing regulations, increased scrutiny, and compliance costs could have put a strain on raiz operations. Economic headwinds. The past few years have seen a volatile market, with rising inflation and interest rates impacting investor sentiment and investment returns. This challenging economic climate might have impacted raiz user base and revenue streams. Shifting investor behavior. Investor preferences are constantly changing. While micro-investing apps gain traction initially, users may be seeking more sophisticated investment options, such as robo-advisors or direct stock investing, as their financial goals evolve. So, what does this mean for existing raiz users? Don't panic. Raiz has outlined a plan to help users transition their investments. They are providing information on how to withdraw funds or transfer their portfolios to other platforms. It's crucial for users to carefully review these options and choose the best course of action for their individual circumstances. While raiz closure is undoubtedly disappointing, there are valuable lessons to be learned. Competition is fierce. The fintech space is a battleground. To succeed, companies need to constantly innovate, offer unique value propositions, and adapt to the evolving needs of their customers. Regulation matters. Navigating the regulatory landscape is crucial for any fintech company. Ignoring or misinterpreting regulations can have serious consequences. User experience is key. In a competitive market, user experience is paramount. Companies need to prioritize ease of use, intuitive interfaces, and exceptional customer support to retain and attract users. Financial education is essential. Empowering users with financial knowledge is key to long-term investment success. Companies can play a vital role in educating their users about investing principles and helping them make informed decisions. The closure of raiz serves as a reminder that the fintech landscape is dynamic and unpredictable. While it's a setback for the company and its users, it also highlights the importance of adaptability, innovation, and a user-centric approach in the ever-evolving world of finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.